Good day everyone, welcome back to this channel. If you are new here, this is Engineering Maths Simplified, where you get the tips in order to solve any mathematics problem. And also, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, like, share. And also, I'm going to teach you how to solve some trigonometric equation that involve a general solution, how to find some angles, and also how to lay your hand, how to solve some trigonometric equations. And we have an example that says find the general solution together with a solution. Range is 0 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to 360 degree. And also we have some example that says 4 sine theta minus 3 cos theta. R is equal to R sine, open the bracket, theta plus alpha, close the bracket, is equal to 3. There's a restriction here. We have 3's unknown. We have a theta which is unknown, we have alpha which is unknown, we have r which is also unknown. The second question says that 9 sine square theta plus 10 sine theta cos theta minus 2 cos square theta is equal to 1. The third one says that 7 tan square theta minus 3 sine square theta is equal to 9. So because of our time, let's solve number 1. The first one says that 4 sine theta minus 3 cos theta is equal to r sine what? R sine what? R sine theta plus what? Plus alpha. So for instance, how are we going to find our r? That's the first thing for you. How are we going to find our r? To find our r can be found as, first of all, let's say r square is equal to 4 square sine what? Sine square minus what? Minus, this can be plus because we have a 3 here, square, we have a what? We have a cos square theta. So therefore my r square is equal to, this is 16, right, plus 9. This will give me that sine square theta plus cos square theta. It give me what? This one will give me 1. So therefore my r is equal to 16 plus 9. The square root give me what? It give me 5. So therefore let's continue. When I know that my r is equal to 5, right? So therefore know that my r sine theta is equal to what? My r sine theta is equal to 4. My r cos theta is equal to what? Minus 3. Is equal to what? Is equal to minus 3. So therefore, to calculate my tan phi is equal to what? Is equal to r sine theta is equal to r sine theta divided by what? R cos what? R cos theta. So therefore my tan phi alpha is equal to 4 divided by minus 3, which my tan inverse of minus 4 over 3. Now alpha is equal to minus 53.13. So this is my alpha. My alpha is equal to minus 53.13. So therefore, we have gotten our alpha. We have known our R. So therefore, they said we should calculate what? We should calculate this theta. And don't forget that in the equation that they give us 3 here. So our equation will now become that 3 is equal to R sin what? Sin theta plus what? Plus alpha. So therefore, 3 is equal to 5 sin what? Sin theta alpha. So therefore, we have a sin is equal to theta plus alpha. Oh, sorry. Sin theta plus alpha is equal to 3 over 5. 3 over 5. So therefore, the inverse of sin what? Sin 3 over 5 is equal to alpha is equal to 30 is equal to 30. I'm sorry. Is equal to 36.87. So this is the answer that we get for the theta. But to calculate the general solution of this equation, so formula for general solution is equal to theta plus alpha is equal to pi n plus minus 1 raised to power n multiplied by theta. This theta is equal to 36.87 degree. And note that this theta, they do not give us this theta. Let me give this one theta 2, this one is theta 1 to avoid confusion. So therefore, note that this n is just an ordinary integer that we can be choosing, that our n can run from 0 to 1, from 0 to 1 to 2 to an infinity. And then don't forget that they give us our restriction that is 0 less than theta, theta less than 360 or equal to what? Equal to 360. That means the theta 2 must not greater than what? Must not greater than 360. So therefore, when we say that when our n is equal to 0, we know that this one becomes a 0 plus what? Anything raised to power 0 is 1 plus theta 1 rather. What is our theta 1? Theta 1 is equal to 36.87 degree. And then this is not our final answer. We know that this one theta 2 is equal to, bring alpha here, we have that 36.87 degree. 36.87, I'm sorry for my writing, 7 degree. No, don't forget our alpha is minus 53.13. So bringing to the other side is equal plus is equal to what? 53.13. Approximation or everything approximation follow is equal to 90 degree. Is equal to 90 degree. By approximating it, we get a 90 degree because it's not actually a 90 degree. Approximation gives us a what? A 90 degree. So we get a 90 degree here. So when our n is equal to 1, that's we have when n pi plus minus 1 raised to power n plus theta 1. Theta 1 rather. Yes, that we have a theta here plus alpha is equal to when n is equal to 1, we have that this is pi, which is 180 degree plus what? N raised to this is minus 1. We have this one is equal to 36.87. So alpha is equal to, so this one will be 180 degree minus 36.87 minus 36.87. This one I can, theta is equal to 180 minus 36.87 plus what? Plus 53.13. Our final theta is equal to what? 180 minus 36.87 plus 53.13. Our answer is equal to 196.26. Did you see? We still have a question like this. That is why our general solution we can still get an angle that is more than 90 degrees. When n is equal to 2, you know that we can get a 360 from here. Anything raised to power, that's 1. So our angle has been what? Has been greater than. When n is equal to 2, our angle has been greater than what? Has been greater than 360. So therefore, the solution is no more what? Is no more. That angle is no more countable. It's no more countable rather. It's no more countable rather. So therefore,